Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon tartare. First, select about 1 pound of very fresh sushi-grade salmon. Next, prepare your supporting ingredients. 2 tablespoons of finely diced shallots, 1 tablespoon of capers, and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill or chives. You will also need the juice of 1/2 lemon and 1 tablespoon of good olive oil. Have a sharp knife and a clean cutting board ready. Now let's prepare the salmon. Begin by patting your salmon fillet completely dry with paper towels. Carefully remove any skin and check for and extract any remaining pin bones. Using a very sharp knife, cut the salmon into small, uniform 1/4 inch cubes. Consistency and size is key for both texture and presentation, ensuring each bite is perfectly balanced and enjoyable. With your salmon diced, it's time to combine the flavors. In a medium bowl, gently mix the salmon cubes with the diced shallots, capers, and fresh herbs. Drizzle in the lemon juice and olive oil. Season generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything carefully to avoid mashing the salmon. Taste a small amount and adjust the seasoning as needed for your perfect tartare. To serve your delicious salmon tartare, you can use a ring mold for an elegant presentation on individual plates. Garnish with a sprig of fresh dill or a lemon wedge. Serve immediately with toasted baguette slices, crisp crackers, or fresh cucumber rounds. This dish is best enjoyed fresh. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.